Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're talking about the Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum, model 2033M in black. If you're looking for something powerful yet lightweight for those everyday messes, this might be the one. With its versatile design, it's marketed as a 3-in-1 vacuum that transforms from a stick vacuum to a handheld unit and even a stair vacuum. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the Bissell Featherweight is all about convenience. It's lightweight, and at just under 4 pounds, you can easily carry it from room to room or even upstairs without a second thought. But don't let its light frame fool you. This vacuum packs quite a punch in the suction department. Its ability to tackle dirt on both hard floors and low-pile carpets makes it versatile enough for a variety of surfaces. Whether you're sweeping up kitchen crumbs, dusting off rugs, or cleaning up pet hair, this vacuum has you covered. One of its standout features is the 0.67-liter dirt cup, which isn't massive but is adequate for quick cleanups. For a vacuum in this category, the dustbin empties with minimal effort, and you don't need to worry about changing bags. Always a win in my book. Speaking of cleanups, the suction power is impressive for such a compact design. It's strong enough to lift debris from hard floors and even pull up surface dirt from low-pile carpets with ease. If you've been battling stubborn crumbs or dust bunnies, this vacuum certainly puts in the work. When it comes to the different modes, this is where the Bissell Featherweight really shows its flexibility. As a stick vacuum, it's great for floors, especially in smaller spaces or apartments. But if you need something more targeted, you can detach the handheld unit and use the Crevice Tool to get into tight corners or around furniture. It's a practical addition, and you can switch to the floor nozzle for stairs to make those vertical cleanups effortless. If you've ever tried hauling a heavier vacuum up a flight of stairs, you'll appreciate how simple this makes it. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. The lightweight design is great for moving it around, but it does have some limitations when it comes to more intricate cleaning. You won't get the same power and flexibility you'd find in a full-size vacuum, but it does its job well for the most part. You might notice some minor difficulty when trying to navigate under low furniture due to the stick vacuum's design, but the Crevice Tool and handheld mode help mitigate that for detailed cleaning. Battery life is an important factor to consider. Since this is a corded vacuum, you don't have to worry about the dreaded battery drop-off you get with cordless models. The power never fades, but the length of the cord is something you'll want to factor in. While it's long enough for most rooms, larger spaces might require you to plug and unplug a few times as you move from one area to the next. In terms of noise levels, the Featherweight is pretty quiet compared to bulkier models. While it's not silent, it won't leave you covering your ears during your cleaning session. This is especially useful if you're cleaning in the morning or late at night and you don't want to disturb others in your household. As far as attachments go, you get the Crevice Tool and floor nozzle. These tools are especially handy for reaching under furniture or cleaning areas like stairs, upholstery, or even your car interiors. However, don't expect high-end, specialized attachments like you might find on more expensive models. It's a basic set, but for the price, it's sufficient. Now, no product is without its downsides. One of the most obvious cons is the limited capacity of the dirt cup. If you have a larger home or a lot of cleaning to do, you may find yourself needing to empty it multiple times during your session. The other drawback is its performance on thicker carpets. While it does an adequate job on low-pile carpet, don't expect it to work miracles on high-pile or shaggy rugs. This vacuum is best suited for light to medium cleaning tasks. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum sits firmly in the budget category. It's affordable, and for the price, it offers strong suction, multiple configurations, and ease of use. If you're in the market for a lightweight vacuum to handle quick cleanups or spot cleaning around the house, the Bissell Featherweight is a solid option. But if you need something for more heavy-duty jobs or deep cleaning of high-pile carpets, you might want to consider stepping up to a more powerful model. In terms of alternatives, the Shark Rocket Ultra Light Corded Stick Vacuum or the Dirt Devil Simply Stick Vacuum could be potential competitors. The Shark model, for example, offers a bit more suction and versatility, but it comes at a higher price point. The Dirt Devil is more budget-friendly, but you might find it lacks the same level of power and versatility that the Bissell offers. Build quality is solid for a vacuum in this range. The plastics feel sturdy enough and the connections are secure, so you won't be worried about it falling apart after a few months of use. Maintenance is straightforward. Just empty the dirt cup and clean the filter, and you're good to go. The brush roll is simple to clean as well, though you might find some hair tangles on it after prolonged use. The Crevice Tool is easy to snap on and off, making it quick to switch between cleaning tasks. Finally, customer support from Bissell is generally well regarded. If you run into any issues, their support team is responsive, and the warranty options are reasonable for a vacuum at this price. Bissell also provides easy access to replacement parts, which is a nice touch if you need them down the road. To wrap up, the Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum is a fantastic choice for those who need a lightweight, convenient vacuum for everyday cleaning. It's not perfect. It struggles a bit with thick carpets and larger cleanup jobs, but for smaller spaces or lighter tasks, it delivers great performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly versatile vacuum that won't weigh you down, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and remember, the link to get the Bissell Featherweight can be found in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. Got questions or want to share your experience with the Featherweight? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. Goodbye till next time, and may your floors always be spotless.